section, take when flag clicked, that is to start your code, and then take a forever, that acts as a loop so that you can keep repeating your code. Next, set digital pin 2. So because we have connected one sound module and one light module to output 1 and 2, which in return it is pin number 8 and 7. So that is going to be on. So what we are going to do in this project is on both the components. Wait 1 second. So go to control section, take wait 1 second and repeat the same process, that is set digital pin 8 and 7, but now off it, so that your component will wait 1 second and off, and again wait 1 second in the end. So now if you connect your Arduino and on the code, your project is ready to test.